This is a 2009 Dodge Journey. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.